Hello everybody. Today we are programming Jaguar F Pace. As you can see, 2017 vehicle, which came in with multiple issues. But today's work we are doing is programming the ECU on a bench mode. We have connected to case-free master tool to the battery, power up, and remove the scatter panel. This is where the ECU is. Okay. ECU writing, that's the Bosch MEDC17.9 ECU, and ECU writing has been successfully completed, as you can see. Yes, like I said, you can reach me on 07533636194 with your DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx, power loss, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues, and any other issues with your vehicle. We are the masters. We are RAC Center, and also we are known as Moorhouse Garage Limited. We are AutoWatch Ghost Immobiliser Fitting Center and RAC approved place, and also we are known as Supreme DPF Cleaning. This is who we are. Please click on like button. All these vehicles waiting to be done. This is our workshop. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for the further more educational videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you.